My name is Michael Leeserman here with the Trial Guide's Tip of the Day. It's April 14th, 2023, and today's tip comes from Grief and Loss: Identifying and Proving Damages in Wrongful Death Cases by Robert T. Hall and Mila Ruiz Tecala. Hope I pronounced that properly. When you agree to represent a grieving family, you become part of their grieving process. Yes. I handle mostly wrongful death cases. And if you've ever represented a family where someone, in the family's been killed, and you wonder how to deal with that grief, it's worth a larger conversation. It's something I spend a lot of time thinking about. I believe strongly that when we do our job right as plaintiffs' lawyers, that the litigation process can be, when we do it right, it is part of the healing process. Right? We need to be aware of what we're doing and how we're doing it. Part of that mainly is because we really want to be helpful in the world. That's the lawyer I want to be in the world, one that's helping people. And also, as far as case strategy goes, I get really tired of hearing over and over again in mediation from judges, settle this case. This case needs to settle. You don't want to put your client through the trauma of a trial. You don't want them to have to relive this. You don't want to make it worse. I do think there's a way that we can make things worse if we're not conscious of this. And I believe strongly that we can put our clients up at trial in a way that is healing. We can prepare them in a way that it has the potential to heal. It doesn't mean that it heals, but that it's helpful. I know a lot of lawyers are scared of that. If they've healed, no one completely heals from death of a loved one. But if they're healing, well, doesn't that mean a lesser verdict? First of all, even if it did, I would do it. We want to help people. Second of all, no. The jurors understand that people are trying to help themselves the most they can. So, people want to help people who are trying to overcome what life has thrown at them, or what the wrongdoing of the defendant has thrust upon them. So just think about that. And when the judge or the mediator says, you don't want your client to have to go through that, if you've spoken with your client, if you've spent time and really gotten to know them, isn't it great when you can honestly say, actually, my client's looking forward to this trial. We think this is going to be part of their healing process. They want this trial. Just a thought, a paradigm shift that I'm personally a big fan of. Let's pause, take a deep breath together, and just appreciate the fact that we are alive this Friday. May we use the time we have today to help reduce suffering in the world, to repair the world. May we fiercely and compassionately advocate for our clients and champion their stories. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just remind you it's Friday. Wake up, go out, do good things, and have fun while you're doing it. Have a great day. Have a great weekend.